If you're considering VisualCV for your next professional resume or portfolio, there are a few things you should know before you hit that buy button. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether VisualCV is the right choice for you and how it compares to other tools like Canva or Zeti. Let's start with the first thing you need to know. One of VisualCV's strongest features is its design flexibility. Unlike many resume builders that restrict you to a handful of templates, VisualCV offers a wide range of templates that are fully customizable. You can change colors, fonts, and layout, giving you the power to truly personalize your resume or portfolio. This level of customization sets it apart from many competitors, like Zeti, which can feel a bit more rigid in its options. Next thing, VisualCV is super user-friendly, even for people who aren't design experts. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to adjust your resume or portfolio layout in seconds. You don't need to be a tech genius to get a polished, professional look. Compare this to something like Canva, which, while still great for design, can be a little overwhelming with its tools if you're just trying to create a straightforward resume. The third thing to keep in mind is VisualCV's portfolio options. Many resume builders stop at the resume itself, but VisualCV allows you to build an entire portfolio as well. You can upload your work samples, include links to your social media, and even create a personalized URL for your online presence. It's a great way to go beyond just a static resume and show your future employer what you can really do. Other tools like Resume don't really have this level of flexibility, making VisualCV a step ahead. Now, the fourth thing you should know is that VisualCV has excellent analytics. After you've sent out your resume or portfolio, you can track who has viewed it, how many times it's been opened, and even where the viewers are located. This is something most resume builders don't offer, and it's a key advantage when you're trying to optimize your job search strategy. Imagine sending out your resume and not knowing if anyone's actually looking at it. VisualCV gives you that insight. Moving on, the fifth thing to consider is the ability to download your resume in multiple formats. Whether you need a PDF, a Word doc, or a simple online link, VisualCV makes it incredibly easy to export your work. This is a major perk, especially when you compare it to something like Zeti, which can limit export options unless you pay for the premium version. The sixth thing to keep in mind is VisualCV's customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat and email support, which is a huge plus if you run into any issues while creating your resume. If you've ever used a platform with limited customer service, you know how frustrating that can be. VisualCV ensures that help is available whenever you need it, and it's something that sets them apart from many other resume tools that only offer email support. Finally, the seventh thing you should know is that VisualCV's premium version includes features like access to more templates, the ability to create multiple resumes, and the option to hide your resume from public searches. If you're serious about job hunting and want to stand out, these premium features can make a big difference. While other services may offer similar features, VisualCV's pricing structure is often more competitive, making it a great value for the level of customization and functionality you get. So, if you want to try out VisualCV and see if it's the right fit for you, you can click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get a free trial of the software, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits to get you started on the right foot. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this opportunity today.